When Bugatti unveiled the Bolide in October 2020, the world was in an uncertain place, yet the debut of this radical creation provided a moment of awe. The Bolide appeared as something beyond reality, a track-focused monster that combined extreme aerodynamics, futuristic design language, and performance numbers that many believed were simply impossible. Originally introduced as a concept study, the Bolide carried an aggressive silhouette and proportions that looked closer to a Le Mans prototype than any road-going hypercar. Many enthusiasts assumed it would remain a singular experiment, an outrageous vision with no intention of meeting production. But Bugatti had other plans. Against expectations, the company soon confirmed a production run of just 40 units, each reserved exclusively for track use. While the production model does not match every insane statistic from the concept version, it still stands as one of the most extreme creations in the brand's legendary history. Now that chapter reaches its conclusion as the final Bolide leaves Bugatti's Molsheim facility, marking the end of an era defined by the extraordinary W16 engine. This final example is particularly special. It belongs to a passionate collector who already owns a Type 35, one of Bugatti's most iconic historic racers. Drawing inspiration from that machine and from the owner's own Veyron Grand Sport, the final Bolide is finished in a breathtaking palette of 3 stunning shades of blue: black blue, special blue lyonnais, and lake blue. These tones blend modern performance engineering with classic Bugatti heritage, creating a visual tribute that is both emotional and timeless. The Bolide is also one of the last models to feature Bugatti's legendary 8-liter quad-turbo W16 power plant, an engine that defined the brand's modern identity. In the Bolide, it produces 1,578 horsepower and 1,179 pound-feet of torque, delivered through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Thanks to the car's ultra-lightweight construction of just 3,196 pounds, or 1,450 kilograms, the resulting performance is nothing short of spectacular. The Bolide accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a blistering 2.2 seconds and reaches 300 kilometers per hour in only 11.5 seconds. Its top speed is an incredible 380 kilometers per hour, demonstrating the raw capability locked within its carbon fiber body. Every one of the 40 Bolides has been hand-built with meticulous attention to detail. The final unit continues this tradition, with all body panels crafted entirely from lightweight carbon fiber. Before delivery, Bugatti thoroughly tested the car on track to ensure complete readiness for the intense demands it was designed to fulfill. While the new owner may choose to keep the car preserved as a museum-worthy masterpiece, the Bolide remains fully capable of unleashing its potential on the circuit at any moment. It is a car intended not only to be admired, but to be experienced, a perfect blend of engineering precision and artistic expression. Bugatti president Christophe Pichon emphasized this dual purpose, stating that the goal was to create a machine that performs on the racetrack while holding a rightful place in the world's most exclusive collections. This philosophy guided every aspect of the Bolide's development, ensuring that the craftsmanship and execution reflect the highest standards of the Bugatti name. With the Bolide project now officially complete, Bugatti turns its attention to the future. The successor to the Chiron, known as the V16-powered Tourbillon, is preparing for its debut, with customer deliveries set to begin next year. This marks a new era for the marque, one that blends traditional craftsmanship with bold new engineering directions. Even as Bugatti moves forward, the Bolide stands as a monumental reminder of what is possible when innovation, tradition, and ambition collide.